Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering on the Bluetooth speaker and putting it in pairing mode so the system can find it. Next, open Google Meet or join your meeting. Make sure Meet is active because you will switch audio while in call. On your phone or laptop, enable Bluetooth in system settings and keep the speaker within about 10 meters for a stable link. Once done, return to the Meet window so you can select the speaker as the audio output quickly. Now pair the speaker from your device's Bluetooth settings. Locate the speaker name, tap or click to pair, and confirm any PIN if prompted. You should see a connected status. Then, in Google Meet, open More Options and choose Settings, then Audio, because Meet uses system audio devices. From the Output drop-down, pick the paired Bluetooth speaker. If needed, also switch the microphone to your preferred device. Make sure Meet shows the chosen device, so audio routes correctly into the call. Finish by running Meet's quick test. Play the speaker preview and speak for the mic test to confirm both directions work. If you notice lag or dropouts, make sure battery saver is off and move the speaker nearer to the device. Bluetooth range or interference often causes issues. If audio still fails, disconnect and repair the speaker, or restart the Meet app or browser tab. One key tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on usually resolves stubborn pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.